Finding angles and shapes confusing? Spot the shape, apply its rules. Let's master the fundamentals in 5 minutes. Welcome to SmartPath SG, where every student can learn, grow, and succeed. Welcome. Here's the plan for today. First, the toolkit, 4 angle rules plus 4 shape properties. Then the most commonly tested shapes, triangles, parallelograms, and rhombuses, and finally trapezium, which tends to be the harder type. You must know these 4 rules that do most of the heavy lifting. A triangle's interior angles add to 180. Angles on a straight line add to 180. Angles round a point add to 360. And where 2 lines cross, vertically opposite angles are equal. Now the 4 most commonly tested shapes. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal and adjacent angles add to 180. A rhombus is a special parallelogram. It has 4 equal sides. A trapezium has 1 pair of parallel sides, and the angles on the same slanted side add to 180. And an isosceles triangle has equal base angles. That's your angles toolkit. Let's start with 2 questions about triangles. Question 1. ABC is an isosceles, where AB is equal to AC, and angle BAC is 48 degrees. Find angle ABC. Try it. Think about which 2 angles are equal. Because AB equals AC, the base angles ABC and ACB are equal. All 3 add to 180, so 2 of them, plus 48, is 180. That leaves 132 for the 2 equal angles, so each is 66. Answer: angle ABC is 66 degrees. Remember to write down the reason. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Markers reward the reasoning, not just the number. Question 2. BCD is a straight line. Angle ABC is 115 degrees, and angle ACB is 38 degrees. Find angle ACD. Angle ACB and angle ACD sit on a straight line, so they add to 180 degrees. That means ACD is 180 minus 38, which is 142 degrees. Done. One step. You can also find angle BAC first. Then use the exterior angle theorem to find ACD as the sum of BAC and ABC, but that takes 2 steps and slower. Next 2 questions are about parallelograms and rhombuses. Question 3. ABCD is a parallelogram and angle DAB is 72 degrees. Find angle ABC and angle BCD. Angle ABC is adjacent to DAB, and adjacent angles in a parallelogram add to 180 degrees, so ABC is 108 degrees. Angle BCD is opposite DAB, and opposite angles are equal, so BCD is also 72 degrees. Question 4. A composite figure. ABCD is a rhombus, and ADE is a straight line. DE equals AB, and angle DAB equals 124 degrees. Find angle DEC. The key is recognizing that AB equals DC because all sides of a rhombus are equal. Since DE equals AB, DE equals DC, which means triangle CDE is isosceles. Let's first find out angle ADC. Since adjacent angles of a rhombus add up to 180 degrees, angle ADC equals 180 minus 124, which equals 56 degrees. Next, find out the apex angle CDE, which equals 180 minus 56, 124 degrees. Now we can use isosceles property that base angles equal and solve for angle DEC. It is 180 minus 124 divided by 2, which equals 28 degrees. Lastly, let's look at a question about trapezium. Question 5. ABCD is a trapezium with AD parallel to BC. Angle DAB is 58 degrees. Angle BCD is 110 degrees, and E is a point on AD with angle CBE of 42 degrees. Find angle ABE. Because AD is parallel to BC, angle DAB and angle ABC are co-interior, the 2 angles on the same slanted side, so they add to 180 degrees. That makes ABC 180 minus 58, which is 122 degrees. Angle ABE is just ABC minus CBE, so 122 minus 42. Angle ABE is 80 degrees. And yes, angle BCD of 110 degrees was not needed. Now let's putting it all together. For every angle question, name the shape, state the property in words, write the corresponding equation, solve, then reread to check it's the angle the question asked for, and ignore anything you don't need. Finally, here's the whole toolkit on one slide for your easy reference. Once you have nailed the angle fundamentals, challenge yourself with PSLE-style multi-step questions involving composite figures. Thanks for watching! Head over to smartpathsg.com to play our free PSLE practice game, or join our community for more tips and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week.